Is your Verizon Wi-Fi extender flashing white and driving you crazy? Let's fix it. First, unplug your Wi-Fi extender from the power outlet. Wait a full 30 seconds. This allows it to completely reset its internal memory. While the extender is unplugged, locate the WPS button on your Verizon router. It usually has the WPS letters printed above or below it. Press and hold this WPS button for 5 seconds, then release. This puts your router in pairing mode. Now, plug your Wi-Fi extender back into the power outlet. Watch the light carefully. It will initially blink white. After a few moments, it should turn solid blue, indicating a successful connection with your router. If it doesn't turn solid blue and continues to blink white, repeat steps 2 and 3. Once the light is solid blue, your extender is properly connected. Enjoy your extended Wi-Fi coverage. If this video helped you fix your Wi-Fi extender, please like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.